It takes a lot to make video content, from the planning, the setting, the shooting, the editing, the publishing, the uploading, and before you actually get to watch it. And then even when you have some things in your mind to make videos and other things can come on, life issues can come up, and then before you know it, you won't be able to make video. Today's going to be an interesting video. So I'm going to start with this quote. When it comes to real fight, everybody has a plan B until they are hit. And sometimes you even forget your plan. So today I'm going to give you a little insight into the next video I'm going to do. But this video is dedicated to all my viewers, subscribers, and to share with them the insight of what it takes to actually make this video. The aim is to help you to appreciate more what it takes to make some of this content that you watch, and also to be able to see some of the things you will face before you start making content, or before you can actually bring out a content like this. So if you're ready, let's just go into this. To kickstart the behind the scene, how about that time you have it all planned out, scripted out, but then you run out of flow? I try and get a flow on my head. And then there are that sudden breaks. When it comes to content, what about, oh, cut that moment, man? And now, it's not just, oh gosh, pause, I'm dry now. Your team can make you very uncomfortable. I know I'm tall, man, but Jesus, don't make it look, you can bend your hand without raising it that, you can bend the angle without raising it that high. You're making me feel uncomfortable. Am I? If you watch till this point, then you will know I'm very, very tall. So if you're ready for that, let's go check it out and see how this thing can get from this point and to this point. Oh, your cameraman can also go crazy. Okay. What? Well, sometimes you just have to go back and mount the camera yourself, you know, teach the cameraman how you wanted, the angle you wanted to shoot from. And if you direct, you shoot, you produce, you do everything. Making video content is going to turn you into a real CEO. I mean, you run everything. Oh, and before I forget, the one that could just mess you up, audio connection test. You have to test the audio. Okay, we are back. Yeah, we test from a distance, test from a close range, test. Okay, my face is oily. And I want to say thank you for all who subscribe and watch. Keep doing it. I'm so happy that you are doing this. Subscribe. I see you.